Here I am solving one of the introductory problem from CSES website. The problem I am solving is weird algorithm. Now in weird algorithm we have to take a single digit input n. Now if our n is even, then we have to divide it by 2, and if it is odd we have to multiply it by 3 and add 1 to it. We have to repeat the process until the value of n becomes 1. Okay, so we will be having a single digit input, and our input can range from 1 to 10 to the power 6. Okay, let's create a Python file. Weird algo. Let us take input n. It will be integer, that's why int input. Let's put int the value of n. Now until n becomes 1, so while n is not equal to 1, you check if it is even. So if n modulo 2 equals 0, then if it is even, then n will be n divided by 2, print n. And if it is odd, we will be multiplying n by 3 and adding 1 to it, so print n. Okay, so here let me take input 3. Here we have our output. The GitHub link of the code will be given in the description. Thanks for watching the video.